When the rain falls, the gutters overflow. The lawns turn into lakes and the gardens into rivers. We all bunker down to wait it out, and I'm left with lots of time to think. I live in a cabin with my partner on my parents' property. At the beginning of March, we averaged 100 mils of rain per day over 14 days. That's a total of 1,141 mils, and well over half our average annual rainfall in just 2 weeks. I saw my favourite tranquil spots turn into raging torrents. And you couldn't set foot outside without being attacked by leeches. But of course it was nothing compared to the devastation we saw on the news from other parts of the state. Somehow, even in the rain, this place is stunning. Living here, I feel so much closer to the impacts of climate change. It's visceral and all-consuming. I've always been a person who feels things deeply but says very little. I've never considered myself an activist. I'm an escapist. I hide from the world when it gets too overwhelming. And recently that has been happening a lot. I feel helpless. Like, what can one person possibly do to fix this? I'm doing what I can. I'm learning about permaculture, growing vegetables and saving seeds. This summer I learnt about preserving abundant harvests, and now I've probably got enough pickles to last me a year. The more that I learn, the more I find there is to learn. And I'm honestly not sure how directly this helps to save the planet, but at the very least, having a caring connection to nature through my garden and the forest brings me solace. And it's very good for my mental health. I don't have any broad sweeping statements to make, any bold claims for the future, but I just wanted to share the rainy side of this beautiful place I call home.